Of course, the standout feature of any hotel in Negril is the beach. So the hotels here are not like the all-inclusive hotels on the north coast per se. So you will have, like, for here you have complimentary breakfast. And this is the check-in area, and just the layout of the furniture, really speaks volume to the quality of the place. And today, Kareem's Quest is in the lovely town of Negril, Westmoreland, and I'm at this nice resort called Sandy Haven. It's a gem because, I don't think a lot of people know about it. So we're going to do a walk around tour and, kind of feel out what it's like.
Kareem's Quest. Travel different from the rest. You're watching Kareem's Quest. Always an adventure when you're watching Kareem's Quest.
Before showing you the lobby area of the property, let me quickly carry you around to the back of the Jamaican owned hotel.
The first thing that stands out to me is this deck. Now at night, people, this looks so lovely. This is like a lunch area or, a dining area in the evening, but it's a lovely addition. And then if you purchase the oceanfront view on the first floor, this is what you actually walk out to. So for all those rooms that you're looking at, you walk out to this deck. So breakfast in the morning, needless to say, is very easy to access. They also have a designated bar and grill area. So you order your lunch right here. You also get your breakfast right here. So it's your grill area, and then right here is your bar, where they're serving you those lovely Jamaican cocktails. Of course, the standout feature of any hotel in Negril is the beach. Speechless. It's lovely. What Sandy Haven has done is that they have also have these uniform lounge chairs. So if you look at the lounge chairs and you look at the fact that they have canopies for almost all of them. So, and what is better than nature's canopy almond tree? So for me personally, who's a nature lover, I'd be sitting under the almond tree and just relaxing. And the midday sun is also upon us. Let's take a look out to the beach and let's look how it looks. Here's the sign right here, Sandy Haven.
With such a pristine view of the 7 Mile beach, I was tempted to take a dip, but I knew I had so much work left to do. So I opted for a drink instead from the bar.
The day is extremely hot, so I need a drink to cool me down. Kerry? All right, thank you so much.
After cooling down, I went back to the entrance of the property.
The first thing that kind of stands out to me is the fact that it's gated. And so once you come in here, they open the gate and then they close the gate afterwards. So you feel a sense of security and a sense of also seclusion. There's a parking area over there and there's another driveway area that you can park on. Here's the restaurant, but I think I'm just trying to get to the rooms first. So let's go towards the check-in area. And the entire layout of the property thus far seems very clean, and it has a more sophisticated look to it. So with some places, when you go to those places, you can, you get a more down-to-earth vibe. This is more, you get a more sophisticated vibe. They pay a lot of attention to small details, like for example, this is the check-in area, and just the layout of the furniture, really speaks volume to the quality of the place. And this is why I say I feel like it's just a gem, because it may not be necessarily known, but once you're here and you start to see how the place is designed, it definitely stands out. This is the check-in area right here. How are you doing today? All right? What's the name? Macian. Hi, Macian. Welcome to Kareem's Quest. All right, so Macian is here, and this is the checkout person, or check-in person, I should say. They show some of their awards as well and different artwork. I must say, they have a lot of outstanding artwork that they display along the way, and I would suspect it's from a local artists. And this is also a town that has a lot of talented persons. If you've ever been to Negril before, you know that you have a lot of musicians here, you have a lot of artisans here, you have just a lot of persons who can design and do different things, creative things like that. All right, so we can move from this area. So when you're checking in, this is where you would come and you would sit down, and they also gave us a drink last time. Good. Right beside that check-in area is the gym. Now, to be fair, when most persons come to a hotel like this in Negril, they don't come to the gym. All right, so 2 treadmills, you have that one right there, you have a bench pressing machine, something for your legs, something for your back, and there are some free weights towards the back, right? You know, it's a nice small gym, and I think it's accessible throughout the day, so you can use it at any point in time. Again, when most persons are at Negril and they're on the 7 Mile Beach, which I'm going to show you, the 7 Mile Beach, the famous 7 Mile Beach in Jamaica. People just lounge on the beach for the entire day. Just remember, you can view my website, kareemsquest.com, for the full review of this place and to look at even the different room categories, because not everything I'm necessarily going to remember in terms of the details in the video, but on my website, kareemsquest.com, you can actually see more content and even more hotels in Negril. All right, so let's get going.
Now it's time for me to look at the rooms.
I'm heading up to the Junior Suite Garden View, and this is a room that if you have if you spend an extended time, you definitely want to spend it in a big enough room. So let's go. This is the Junior Suite Garden View. Now, when you hear about the term suite, it normally means that it has a seating area. But before I talk about that, let me just talk a little bit about the decoration of the place. I love the fixtures. I love the woodwork that is done here, and the color contrast. If you notice, I mean, it has good accenting colors. It uses that kind of nautical color base as well. So you have these lovely colors here that really stand out to you. And then this headboard is well designed. It's leather right here, and the wooden finish, it's nice, and it complements even the frames for the pictures that are being used. And if you look at the light fixtures as well, you know, I mean, you can see the quality of the work right there. Now, right beside this king size bed is a seating area, and persons, like when I do this on my website with all the hotel reviews, like I try to give like who does this suit best? Couples, families, friends. This for me is definitely couples. All right. I mean, you come to Negril, it's a different setting than the other tourist areas, because when you come to Negril, you're kind of like also an adventurer. So you want to go out there a lot. So this is a space where you just come and you stay and you spend some time on the beach, and you get to walk along the beach and, you know, support the vendors or support the different establishments, the food establishments in particular. But anyway, back to this room, you have your TV that is right over here, and you have your chest of drawers right there, and the AC unit and a ceiling fan. And when the time we're in a tropical setting in Jamaica, so you're definitely going to want to use your AC when you're here. The good thing about this place is that it also has a mini fridge. Now, the mini fridge is empty. However, I found this lovely mini mart that is probably 10 minutes away, and you can buy your snacks and different things like that, and you put into your fridge. All right. Most of the hotels here are not like the all-inclusive hotels on the North Coast per se. So you will have, like, for here, you have complimentary breakfast, and it's continental style breakfast, but they give you a fruit plate, which is nice of them. Good. But for the most part, you know, you pay as you eat. So whether it's lunch or dinner, it's kind of something like that. So keep that in mind when you're in this town. You have a standing mirror, a full body mirror that you can get access to. You have a safe that you can also get access to, and you can look at and then they give you robes as well. They give you hangers. You have and this is good. Like, this is really like for couples. And if you think about it, Because if you live with a female, you know that she needs her own area. So when you have two different sink, it really works well for both of you. In the bathroom, it's a walk-in bathroom with a lovely shower head that mimics a rainforest type feel to it. Very simple, nice, subtle touches, of good design work and good craftsmanship. I must give them credit because sometimes when I go to some places, I don't necessarily like the craftsmanship, but this is good craftsmanship. And you have your dryer as well for the women who want this. And also, what makes this junior suite one of their, I think, biggest junior suites is that they have a huge balcony area. Now, something that I realized when I was here, these doors are extremely heavy because they are soundproof. No noise might be happening in the room, good, but this is also Jamaica where a lot of noise happens outside, meaning that music is always being played. And in this area, it's not necessarily loud, but music is always being played, right? So once you close this door, you don't hear any sound coming in, all right? And for that reason, you have to take your time and put some strength into it. Now let's go on it's like a terrace because it kind of wraps around. So you have a nice area where you can see the pool, you can see the garden as well. And I think this is the view that is perhaps the one that you would like because you get to see the property and the lushness as well of the property because it has coconut trees and it has a breadfruit tree right there and it has a banana tree as well immediately in front of us. So you have different things and then there is a seating area, I guess, where you and your companion can sit down and have dinner and just relax a bit. So coming to Negril, you have to understand the vibe of Negril. And whenever I'm recommending places to persons, I always tell them, do some research. And for that reason, go to kareemsquest.com, look at if this property, has things that appeal to you, which is very important because sometimes when persons are choosing properties, they're just not choosing the right property and they go without the wrong expectation. And sometimes I even see where persons give properties the wrong ratings because they have the wrong expectation. All right. So this is not an all-inclusive type property. This is a property for more mature couples. I would recommend if you like, to sit down and to just bask in your company and everything like that. And, you like to walk on the beach and take things at a more slower pace. You love this property and you can see more. I write about all of this on my website, kareemsquest.com, especially on this property, so that you can get a better feel of what suits you. And look at these little things. These are little things that I like about it. Look at that. They have the name, Sandy Haven. And they gave me this key, right? And look at the key as well. So they do some small touches to, distinguish themselves. And there are a lot of hotels on this strip. So I think that every hotel has to add something unique. And this one does by just doing the subtle things correctly, right? They make sure that when you look at things like the fixtures and the accent colors, they just make sure that, listen, we're just going to do some things and do them subtly. And even look at this white leather wrap chair right here. Just a feel. It gives a nice executive feel to it. Of course, because it is a suite, you have this small area right here that mimics pretty much like a home. So I would say if you're spending time in a place like this, and this is probably, I think, the second or the third layer. The highest is their ocean view. But if you're spending time like this, I mean, it has to be probably 4 or 5 days, where you just kind of get acclimated to the situation and you walk around and things like that. Okay, it also has cable TV. Good, so we have several channels here. And I did not talk about the fact that it comes with, and this is complimentary, it comes with a coffee maker and you have your sugar and everything. You have cups and you have your ice bucket. So yeah, I did not get to mention that to you. And that's pretty much it for the room. Definitely a lovely place. Again, if you know me, I don't like to waste current. So yeah, we're good. Now I'm heading to the ocean view suite, and this is the one that is the top tier room.
The Ocean View Suite is pretty much like the Garden View. The only difference is that you're looking at the beach from the balcony.
This is the one that the biggest difference is that it overlooks the ocean. So real quick, all the rooms are basically designed in a uniform manner. This one comes with a king size bed, as you can see right here. And all of them have telephones, so you can get quickly to the reception area. And they have these docking stations as well for your Apple device. And I think it's also Bluetooth enabled, so you can play your music from there. And it has the same small refrigerator in each room. It has the TV as well. You have your little coffee and tea station right there. A good thing that's in this room that wasn't in the junior garden view room is that you have this little love tub. Good. So you have your bathing tub right here, and this is a nice feature, very comforting. The bathroom layout is typically the same, and I guess some of you may want to know what it's like. You have your rack for your towels, you have your walk-in shower, and I must say this is actually an ample type bathroom facility right here. Not bad. Fixtures are basically the same as well. So what is distinguishable for most of these rooms is a garden, whether you want to be on the garden side of things or on the ocean view. And this is what makes the ocean view stand out. Look at that lovely beach. And I must say, Negril and Portland has some of the best beaches in Jamaica. You're looking at the 7 Mile Beach right there. You're looking at that pristine white sand. You can look on the sea, and right towards the horizon, there is a ship that is sailing by, and then you have smaller catamarans and you have glass bottom boats as well. And they have outlined their area at Sunday evening. I don't know if you see the boy right there, but they have outlined the safe part of the sea to be in. And you can see persons, 2 persons now. You see a lady walking by. You see 2 persons right now that are in the water. So, you don't go beyond the parameters that they have set. And that's a good thing, especially, for persons who like to be wanderers. This is a lovely area to sit, and this is like almost terrace like because you can walk around it. So you ask for some of these end rooms where you have this terrace veranda where you can you have ample space to sit down and relax and eat your food and eat your breakfast and eat your lunch and different things like that. I always encourage persons, like when you're in Negril and even Portland, well, Portland is much like even more laid back. I wouldn't say much more, but it's more laid back. You come here, you have to understand the expectation when you come here, right? So you come here and you stay in your hotel, but you don't spend most of the time in your hotel. Sometimes you don't even spend most of the time on the property. Most persons are on the beach, sitting down for most of the day, or they're walking along the 7 miles of beach and they are exploring different properties, or they're going on various excursions that are offered throughout this location. So you kind of come here with that in mind, all right? Most of the properties here they are like rectangular. So we're going to be walking down for a good while. These are the garden view right here. And I kind of like garden view if you can't get the ocean view, because if you can't get the ocean view and you like to feel at home, the garden view does feel at home. Another thing I recognize with the property is this. Now, this is one of my favorite fruit, right? They have a June plum tree and they just fall in the day, and you can basically take them up and you can wash them off and eat them. It's a very lovely fruit to have. I actually picked up some earlier. So let's get going again. The hotel also has a lovely pool area, and they have chairs as well as lounge chairs around the pool. And this is something that like we locals love, the fact that they have a tent, because sometimes you want to relax by the pool, you want to read your book or anything like that, and you just don't want so much sun hitting your skin. There is also a jacuzzi, and there is a designated spa area behind the jacuzzi. So let's go and look at that designated spa area. So we have our jacuzzi, and you walk around it, and this is the waiting area as well. And this is your spa area right here. So it's cool, it's spacious, has a lot of windows, so you get that good tropical breeze blowing on you. And also, even while I'm in it, you know, it's calming. And there's also AC. So I guess they could close up all of these. No, they can't. There's still an AC vent right here. So if you don't like that heat in the tropical island, you can access your AC. So it's a nice addition. All right, we are heading towards the beach area. And the beach area, this is a real big thing when you're in Negril. It's all about that 7 Mile beach. So we are going to head now towards that beach area. I love finding these small Jamaican owned properties. This one was never on the forefront, and that's why it kind of feels like a gem to me, because I searched for it, and then when I went on the property, I was not disappointed whatsoever. I was actually surprised at the attention to detail. I really love it. Recommend it definitely for couples and persons who like just that laid back type vibe. Remember, you can go on my website, kareemsquest.com. You will see my full review of this property. You will see my recommendation of not only this property, but other properties as well. All right. And remember, if you're on YouTube and you're watching, please subscribe. As usual, you're always welcome to join the quest.